Hello YouTube, Sam Graham here, and today I want to finish up this little program that I've been trying to create with you guys in the last few episodes. Essentially last time we finished class 2, but we essentially finished the program. It'll run, um, but I wanted to create two more class cases to make it a little bit more interesting. But before I go into that, I just want to point out a couple mistakes I noticed. Um, Make sure to switch these to less than signs because I had them as greater than signs, but when you put them in the if statement, the condition needs to be a less than for these two. Also, I might have put a semicolon right here. Make sure that's a comma if you haven't already put a comma there yourself. But anyways, let's get started. To the coordinates, we just want to display where you are on the map. So essentially it's just going to take the x values where you are and the y values and let you know where, or let the user know where you are. So show message dialog. No, yes. Okay, and then let's give him one of those guys. We're going to plus, and the variable x goes first. Then we want to get those guys plus the y axis plus that guy. Now, let's say your location. Now, let's give it just a plain message. So, plain message. Alright, and actually, this one line of code will sum up case 3 because all we want to do is tell the user where the coordinates are, where you're located. Case 4 is where it gets a little bit more complicated, and here's why. I want to create an if-then statement or if-else statement to give them a limited amount of hints. So, hint counter, if it's less than or equal to 3, do this. And if it's not, we could copy this message here, paste, and take this out, and say, oops, you ran out of hints. And we could change this to hint shortage and change this to error. Okay, now what do we want to do in here? Well, for the hint, what I wanted to do is just get the distance between the x, or the treasure, and you. So we wanted to find this distance. So in order to do that, we need to take this value, square it, and this value, square it, add them together, and take the square root of it. That's called the, what do you call it? Crap. Hold on, it'll come to me, but I'm just going to write it down. It's essentially the Pythagorean theorem. There we go. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. And so we have x, and we have y, and we want to find this distance. So essentially we just have to square root it. Let's say z squared. And so z equals square root of x plus y squared. And I'm actually going to end the video here and create one last video to explain how I'm going to do this with the math class. And essentially, I'll end it right there and finish off strong with that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please check out the last video and let me know what you think of this program so far. Thanks for watching and have a great day.